Britain is reopening. Business recovering. Now one man stands ready to invest.
So who's got some experience with advertisement and marketing?
Not my side.
Mild amount,
I
run a marketing company myself.
Okay.
We do over 6 figures in turnover every year.
Okay. Yeah.
So I'm happy to put myself forward as PM.
You seem
not
knowledgeable
personal
enough.
myself,
Yeah,
but-
you seem extremely knowledgeable.
I've got a vision, I've got ideas, I've got seeds.
Right.
Let's get a tree out of it.
I've created my own sportswear brand.
Okay. Branding. Nick. Harry. Nav. Akeem, I think you'd be great as a sub-team leader.
I'm more than happy to be
Yeah, because you've got the branding experience you can use over here.
I do want to say that branding experience isn't my thing.
Yeah.
I've been involved. I've created, but it's not my area of expertise, just as a highlight.
But you said it was something you've done.
It's something I've done,
Okay.
but it's not my area
Sports
of expertise.
Do you want to be
I've done
sub-team
it.
leader?
Yes,
Do you
yes,
want to be leader?
yes.
I'm confident we're going to show up with the ad. I just hope that the branding is as good as the ad. So boys, my key 3 pillars for this are health and well-being, luxury, and it's the ultimate experience. Everyone on board?
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah,
let's win this, we can do it.
Navigating names for their health-conscious cruise line.
Spirit of the Sea. Welcome to Spirit of the Sea.
No.
Akeem's half of the boys.
So I had an idea that it could be something like mindful ship.
I mean, mindful ship is just too boring.
You can get a very bland brand. I want a word that has nautical in it.
Okay, so we need a mindful word with nautical.
Nautical.
Nautical. Never-ending nautical.
Never-ending nautical?
Never-ending nautical, does that have any meaning?
It does. Never-ending, in the sense of spirituality is never-ending. It's infinity, continues.
We can work on
Never-ending,
that.
never-ending nautical.
That's the brand name. It's quite a unique name. Yeah.
Next, for Akeem's boys,
I'm thinking of a wave that kind of changes into a different shape.
navigate a logo for their well-being cruise.
So what you've got is you'll have an image like this, someone like that, and you see where my head is.
Yeah.
the wave
Yes.
crashes back.
That's a great logo. I think we've got something really solid here.
I don't really like the wave, to be honest with you. I'm not a fan of the wave at all. I really think this should be done. So you've got the circle in the middle, then the 7 chakras with a fountain, which is relaxing, coming from the top.
Wave, I'm sticking to wave. I think it communicates a clear brand message.
It's sophisticated, luxurious.
Harry.
No, just hear me out. Look, Akeem, please, look, hear me out. Look. We have a fountain arching from the middle through our core values of the company, which we're looking to develop.
Okay. Harry, can I just stop you there? I think it's very, very specific, and we just have very limited time.
We could almost do the colours a bit like a tree.
Akeem's half of the boys
It's like brown at the bottom blending into a green.
hit heavy weather.
Yeah, can we get a lighter green? That looks wicked.
It looks like a banana rotting upside down.
This doesn't look like street at all to me.
It's simple, it's clean, it's going to be good. It's going to be good.
It's not. It's really not.
It doesn't represent the
Guys.
Harry was showing this.
What does that mean?
Trust me, the boys are
They're
going to
gonna
ask
ask you, how
that's
is this
basically
luxury?
a slime or a bogey. That's what's what they say. They will literally say that.
I've been telling you, yeah.
Trust me, that's what they're going to say to us.
I think we've done a really good job there, guys. We've nailed all the pillars that we wanted to.
Is what it is. Let's go.
Next up,
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
never-ending nautical.
Our cruise provides the best health and well-being facilities in the most luxurious environment.
Moving on to our logo. Green and brown, representing nature. Relaxed, freedom, calmness.
Nicole Fraley. I lead our marketing and branding. How are you hoping that your consumer will connect the brand identity with the brand name if it's not on the logo?
Oh dear.
So we plan on essentially, through various forms of advertising, pushing the message of the logo. And
Akeem's got a tough gig, actually.
He's got a tough one, eh? Yeah.
Is there a reason that you chose green and brown instead of perhaps an aqua or a blue or?
So, you know, with trees, for example, it's brown and then it's green because of the leaves. It's just so because, you know, when it comes to healthy living and lifestyle, it's all to do with greenery. It's just
Actually, needs to start speaking up now. You need to start backing people up.
I don't know if there's anything else that you guys want to also add or.
No. Let's see the logo. What is that?
That's their logo.
That's your logo.
I know it's a bit of a weird logo, but usually anything that's weird, it's something that people remember. So this is why, I mean, is what we have.
No, I don't want to hear any more from anybody. You're fired.
Thank you, Sugar.